What is the best way to clean inside of microwave? Is it better to clean microwave with lemon or vinegar? Is lemon good for cleaning microwave? If these are your questions, I will show you in this video, and let's dive right in. I always keep my microwave clean all the time after every use, and so you can see, so people wonder, how do I get my microwave always clean all the time? And I'm gonna show you what to do just in case you have any mess, anything in there. Let's do that right now. So we are going to make some mess. Going to pour in some tomato paste. We're going to put this in the microwave. Going to put this in the microwave. Alright, so our mess has been done for us. Now we can see the mess that we have made. All this. Oh, look at that. So we are going to clean this up. Make sure you use a pot holder to take this out of your oven so you don't burn yourself. Alright, I'm going to show you what you can do to get all this cleaned up quickly and get it neat again. So I'm going to cut one lemon in half. And I'm going to squeeze in here to release. I'm going to add 1 glass of water. Going to put this in our microwave. I'm going to close this, and we are going to boil this for 3 minutes. We're going to leave this in for another 2 minutes before we take our lemon water out and then start cleaning. So we are now after 2 minutes. We are going to take this out. Make sure you use a pot holder and take this out slowly. And in a bowl, I'm just going to add the liquid that we took out, the lemon juice that we took out of, and then put it in, add it with a little cold water. And I'm going to use just 1 drop of dish soap. I'm going to put my gloves on. Just put on gloves. And then we are to dip this in. And we will start cleaning. We'll start cleaning. I'm just going to remove our turntable out of here, and then our rings as well. I'm going to soak that. Now we're just going to start cleaning. More soap. Start from the just like that. Now just go to the down here and just wipe. And just wipe and use a sponge. The sponge makes it a little easier to get everything clean quickly. As you can see, it's just coming right off. Cleaning. Then just gonna clean here. We can just use the bag, go over it. how neat this looks. Now we just finished cleaning. It's looking all clean. All this is clean. All this. Okay. After that, we are using a clean water with your microfiber duster and this, and we are just going to go over everything and just go over the whole microwave. Make sure there is nothing else left. And now you can see we just have a brand new clean microwave that we can use, make our food smells good. No smelly things in our microwave, no filthy in our microwave, no cooked cake left in our microwave. It's all clean. Inside is all clean and neat. Okay, now we are going to clean our turntable and put everything back in, and we are done. So we are just going to wash first. We're going to put our rings back in. We are going to put back our turntable. Just angle it so it sits right on there. All right. And everything looks cool. Everything looks neat, clean. All right, so now you can see your microwave. It's all clean and neat for you. Looks almost brand new again, and there you go. So simple, natural. You don't need to use any much chemicals, and you get everything clean neatly. To always keep your microwave from spill or splat anything that you are cooking, whatever you are using, use the second one of that item to cover the top. Like if you are using this bowl, you can use the second bowl. That will really cover it, so then when you are boiling whatever it is in the microwave, it will not splat everywhere, and then you can clean after yourself as well. So once you have this, you can put this in the microwave like this, and then you can cover it. So like that, so then when whatever you boil, it will not splatter in your microwave and make a big mess for you to clean up. You can also use a microwave cover. I've been using this for, I can't even remember since when. It's great. You just use this to cover your food, and any spill or any splatter that you get from your microwave, this will catch it all up in one place. So all you do is just clean this up, and there will not be too much a mess in your microwave. And this is how I use mine, and I'll show you how to use this. So whatever I'm boiling, I put it in the microwave, and then I use wax paper, and then I just take a little wax paper, and then I cover the food with the wax paper, and then I use my microwave cover, and then I cover it, as you can see. And that's it. So whatever I boil, whatever I cook in my microwave, everything is in here. It's not going to spill. It's not going to splat. And then if there is any mess, any little mess, I clean it right away. And so it's not like a mess that I have to have a specific time to clean my microwave. It's always spotless. It's always clean because I'm cleaning after myself all the time. This way, whatever you boil, whatever you cook, it will not make a mess in your microwave. So the best way to always keep your microwave clean is cleaning after yourself. Make sure always you cover your food, whatever you are cooking in your microwave. Use a microwave cover, use a wax paper. Even if you don't have a microwave cover, use a wax paper to cover the food, and then it will not make mess at all. And if there is any mess, just clean it right away, so it will not cake in the microwave, it will not get sticky in the microwave, so that way your microwave is always clean and spotless. If you want to know how to clean microwave inside and out, watch the next video and I'll see you on there. Take care. Bye.